Hello class, welcome back. Welcome back to today's video and today we are going to do a quick recap of the things that we have learned in this chapter, that is time. Okay, so let us start. Our chapter is what? Time. Okay, so the things that we have to do in this chapter are as follows. Firstly, we are going to do some book exercise. Okay, first of all I'm going to start a book exercise, and after that when the time remains, then I will do a quick recap of the things. Okay, so let us start with the book exercise. Okay, so our next exercise that we are going to do exercise 11.5, and this exercise is about the conversion of time. Okay, in this exercise we are going to do how we can convert from one unit of time to other. Okay, conversion of time. Now when I speak about conversion of time, what I really mean is that suppose there are various units of time like days, hours, minutes, seconds, and weeks, years, months, and so on. So these all are the various units of time. Now when I am talking about converting from one unit of time to other, that means I am talking about switching from days to hour, or hour to minute, or minute to second. Okay, so let us see. So first of all, let us talk about the days. Let us talk about week and days. Okay, now so 1 week equals to how many days? 1 week equals to 7 days, and these 7 days are, you know very well, Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So these are the weekdays, है ना? ये सारे क्या है? Weekdays. How many weekdays are there? 7 days. अच्छा ठीक है. तो 1 week equals to 7 days. Fine. Now, if I ask you that which day comes before Thursday. Now suppose if I ask you a question, which day comes before Thursday? So which day comes before Thursday? Look here. Yes, Wednesday. So Wednesday comes before Thursday. Now if I talk about which day comes after Saturday. Which day comes after Saturday? So our answer will be Sunday. Sunday comes after Saturday. And now if I ask you this question, that which day is between Friday and Saturday, then what will happen? मतलब Friday और Saturday के बीच में कौन सा day? Now see, Friday and Sunday के बीच कौन सा day? Saturday. Friday and Sunday के बीच क्या आया? Saturday. Now similarly, जैसा ये question है, similarly we can do question of months. Now tell me 1 year equals to how many months? If I ask you 1 year equals to, then tell me 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, 1 year equals to 12 months, and these months are Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Okay, these are the what? These are the months name. Now the similar type of question can be asked from for month's name also. Like, which month is after January? Now tell me which month will come after January? Yes, which month will come after January? February. Okay, fine. Okay, now 1 year equals to 12 months. Now, see, to read time, we look at our watch or clock, है ना? Now, similarly, to read the month name or the day, we see a calendar. Okay, so what is this in my hand? This is calendar. So you can see month's name are given here. See, January, and here are the weekdays: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And here you can see how many days are there? 31 days. Okay, so how many days are there? 31 days. ओके और जब हम कैलेंडर देखते हैं तो देखो हमें उसमें क्या क्या पता चलता है. ऑफ डेज भी हमें पता चलते हैं, या कोई फेस्टिवल है तो वो भी हमें कहाँ पता चलता है ना. 14th को, 26th, 30th क्या क्या चीज़ें थी वो हमें यहाँ पे पता चलती हैं. तो सी दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज कैलेंडर. एंड सी January, February, and now see how many days are there in February this year? 29 days. 29 days are there in February. Again days name are given here, है ना. days name यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है और ये पूरा क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the dates. Now these are the dates. So if I ask you which day was on 9th of January. Now if I ask you that which day was on 9th of January, what you will say? That ma'am, it was which day? Tell me. Thursday. You will say ma'am, it was Thursday on 9th of January. Okay. Now similarly if I ask you that tell me which day was there on 12 February or which day was there on 17 February. Now on 17 February, see, on 17 February which day was there? See, Monday was there. Okay, fine. So this is what? This is calendar. This is a calendar and we use calendar to look at the dates and days and sometime to know about our festival, our off days. Okay, fine. Now let us talk about exercise 11.5. Now before moving toward exercise 11.5, let us do some example question. And yeah, we are going to discuss some example question. So there is an example question. Convert into minutes. Okay, convert into minutes. Question is convert into minutes. Now to convert into minute, first question is 2 minutes. No, 2 hours. 2 hours. And the second question is 5 hours. 2 hours and 5 hours. Fine. Now do this question. Now you know how to convert. ठीक है, कन्वर्जन मैम ने पहले ही आपको सिखा दिया है. तो what you have to do? You have to do the conversion. Now do the conversion. Conversion करो इसका. 2 hour है. What is the next one? 5 hour. 2 hour and 5 hour. Come on. Yes, do the conversion. Converted. Okay. Now, 2 hours. Okay. So we know that 1 hour equals to 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now 2 hours equals to 2 into 60 minutes. 2 into 60 equals to 120 minutes. Okay. 120 minutes. 2 hours equals to 120 minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 2 hour equals to 6 to the 12, 120 minutes. Now similarly we will do question number 5 or question number 2 also, where the question is 5 hours. Now, so first thing we will write 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. 5 hours equals to 5 into 60 minutes. Now do the conversion. 60 into 5 करिए और आंसर बताइए. Come on. Yes, do the conversion. Completed? Okay. Now 6 5s are 30 and 1 0. 300 minutes. 300 minutes. Okay. So we have done these two questions. These two were the example question. Now let us move toward the next example question. Okay. Okay. Now I am going to erase this question to do the next one. Now the next question is convert into week. Okay, convert the following into week. So let us write the question first. Convert into week. Okay, now the question is convert into week. So now in this question, what we have to do? Now convert into weeks. First question is month. And now the next question is 6 months. First question is 3 months and now the next question is 6 months. ठीक है. अच्छा, now the question is how many days or how many weeks are there? How many weeks are there in 1 month? अब 1 का पता होगा, then only we will be able to convert ना. तो first we will do the conversion of 1 month. ठीक है, तो 1 month का पहले हम लोग conversion करेंगे. Let us see. अब let us take the help of this calendar. Now see. In the month of February, How many weeks can you see? Now, how many days are there in a week? 7. Okay, 7 days are there in a week. Okay, now. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks. Again, in January, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 weeks. Approximately, there are 4 weeks in a month. Here also. No. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this 5th one is not complete. Okay. So, one month equals to how many weeks? 4 weeks. Now, so if 1 month equals to 4 weeks, so 3 months equals to, if 1 month equals to 4 weeks, so the 3 months equals to, 3 months equals to 3 into 4 weeks. Chalo, carry on. 1 month equals to 4 weeks. 3 months equals to 3 into 4 weeks. Chalo karo. Okay. Now 4 threes are we will get 12 weeks. फिर से समझो 3 month equals to 3 months. ठीक है. Now 1 month equals to 4 week. 3 months equals to 3 into 4 week. 4 threes are 12. So 12 week. 3 months equals to 12 week. Now similarly do question number 2. 6 months. Similarly do question number 2, that is 6 months. Come on, do it. Completed? Now see. 1 month equals to 4 weeks. So 6 months equals to 6 into 4 weeks. 6 4 jo 24. 24 weeks. 6 4 jo 24 weeks. हो गया. चलो नोट इट डाउन, देन वी विल मूव अहेड. निकल लो, फिर आगे चलते हैं. Completed? Fine. So, now the next question. The next question is, okay, now the next question is something like this. See, convert into months. Now in next question you have to do the conversion in months. मंथ में कन्वर्ट करना है, ठीक है. अब कैसे करेंगे? सी, सपोज इफ आई गेट अ क्वेश्चन लाइक 2 years, तो अब आपने बताना है कि 2 years में कितने मंथ होते हैं. ना 1 year इक्वल्स टू 12 month. जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर. 12 month. Fine. So, if 1 year equals to 12 months, so 2 year equals to 2 into 12 months. 12 twos are 24 months. ठीक है. Now similarly do one question that is 3 year. Now do this question yourself. 3 year. You have to convert 3 year in months. Okay. चलो come on. Completed? Okay. Now, one year equals to 12 months. So 3 year equals to 3 into 12 months. Now 12 threes are 36 months. Okay. So this is how we convert from months to from year to months. Okay. Okay now. Okay kids. Now let us do 2 more question on the same format. Okay. So we are going to do 2 more question on this format only. Next is 8 years and 10 years. Chalo, come on. Eight year and 10 year. Now see, 1 year equals to 12 months So now 8 year equals to 8 into 12 months. Now when we will multiply 12 and 8, what we will get? Tell me, when we will multiply 12 and 8, what we will get? 96 months. Now 10 year. 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay. Now 10 year equals to, if 1 year equals to 10 months, 12 months. So 12 year equals to 12 into 10 months. ठीक है, चलो करते हैं. Okay. Here we have done these two questions. Now note it down. Note down this question. Completed? Okay, now fine class. So this is about conversion. ठीक है, आज क्वेश्चन किया. आज का क्वेश्चन किस पे किया हमने? एक्सरसाइज 11.5 के एग्जाम्पल क्वेश्चन पहले हमने किया, जहाँ पे कन्वर्जन की बात हो रही थी. अब तक हमने आवर टू मिनट, मिनट टू आवर, ये सारे कन्वर्जन देखे थे. बट यहाँ पे जो कन्वर्जन थे वो डेज और वीक्स के थे. ठीक है, डेज और वीक्स के थे. अब एक क्वेश्चन और रह गया है. वो क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम मंथ्स टू डेज. ठीक है, तो लेट अस डू फ्यू क्वेश्चन ऑन कन्वर्ट इनटू डेज. Okay, now suppose if I ask you to convert 2 months into days. If I ask you to convert 2 months into days, so what you will do? Now the first question is how many days are there in 1 month? So in general देखो हमें पता है कि डेज क्या होते हैं, फ्लक्चुएट होते हैं. कभी 30, 31, 30, 31 होते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक जनवरी में कितने 31, फिर फरवरी में 29 और 28, फिर मार्च में कितने हो जाते हैं 31, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, कन्वर्ट करना है 2 months into days. So 1 days equals to, sorry, 1 month equals to 30 days. Now similarly 2 months equals to 2 into 30 days. ठीक है, now 3 2s are what, 6. So our answer will be 60 days. ठीक है, now converting months into days and week into days, this is the last thing of this chapter, and we will continue this in our next class also. ठीक है, so now don't forget to complete up to here, and now ma'am will meet you in the next class. ठीक है, fine, till then take care and goodbye.